Intelligent men are cruel, stupid men are monstrously cruel the more you drink. You can't wait for inspiration, you have to go after it with a club. Life is not always a matter of holding cards. Intelligent men are cruel, stupid men are monstrously cruel the more you drink. The more you want hate of some people binds them together. As love could never bind, it is far easier to see brave men die than to hear a coward beg for life. You should rather be a superb meteor. Every atom of yours is in magnificent glow than a sleepy and permanent planet. Fear urges some people to go back, but growth drives them on. Law is one thing, and right is another thing. Ask any lawyer, some people are not half living or quarter living, they were simply so many bags of bones in which sparks of life flooded faintly. A bone to the dog is not charity, charity is the bone shared with the dog. When you are just as hungry as the dog, you should rather be ashes than dust. The proper function of man is to live, not to exist. You should not waste your days in trying to prolong them, you should use your time. You should not waste your days in trying to prolong them, you should use your time. Can recognize limitations only in others. It's better to stand by someone's side than by yourself. Some people are not immoral but merely unmoral. After all, only one life is given to a person, why not live it properly? And at the instant you knew, you ceased to know affluence means influence.